Hi guys, welcome to another quick help video, and this is a really quick one. It's just how to change the brightness on your Hikvision intercom screen. Okay, so it's a real easy one, guys. You click on the blue button here, the settings button, and then we go to the cog icon here. There we go, and we have the brightness. Okay, so I've actually got it set on 100 actually, and you can go all the way down to 0%. I think 0% brightness means, you know, pitch black, but apparently not for her. And I think the default is like 70%, but because I'm doing videos, guys, I like to have it on 100 so everyone can see everything as good as possible. Even though the interference is nothing to do with the screen picture is actually crystal clear. But that's how you change the brightness, guys. So lots more videos and tutorials on the screen on our channel. Please check them out. Please check out the playlist, and hopefully catch you on another one. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.